Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the problem many were facing by typing the password. There is an error every time you type a password, the error pops up like remote support for password authentication was removed on August 13. So what you have to do is for avoiding this error, let's go to that Git repository first. cd my Git repository is Google Git. So I am in the repository right now. So now git push origin main. So here it will ask for username. You can type email or a username, whatever you may like. So here for password, what you have to do is the first step, you have to go to Git here. Here in settings, you have to go to settings, and here you have to go to developer settings, and here there you can see in the third option personal access tokens. So click on that, and here there is an option like generate new token. So click on that. Here you can give any token and any note, whatever you like. I'm giving as token 3 here, and select this. These options are mandatory. You have to select this. Okay, before generating this token, I'll show that error what I'm getting. If I type my git password here, it will throw me an error like a remote support for password authentication was removed. So instead of using the password of git, try to access the this one, personal access token. Try to access this or generate one of these tokens. So we are in the personal access tokens now. Select all these and generate a token. So here you can see there is a token generated. Copy this token. Now again we have to give that git push origin main. Give your email. And here you have to give that personal access tokens. Copy this and paste it here. So I have pasted it. Click on enter. Okay, here you can see everything up to date because I have already logged into my GitHub account, so it is showing that everything up to date. If you are logging in using the personal access token, you might be seeing these kind of things here. You'll be seeing this if you click enter. Okay, this was the main thing many were facing while doing the assessment of Google IT automation. Yeah, this is the solution for it. Yeah, thank you guys.